Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to use the Surfaces tool to generate beautiful shape because I want to use polygon, two polygons, and I will show you effective way of doing this, but you have to activate add-on in preferences because by default is not on. This will tell you what version it is. Okay, we need to cut hole in this polygon. Uh, maybe I will only use that polygon, and I'm thinking if I should use two separate polygons. I think I will use only one polygon because you need to have one specific polygon, but of this two polygons of the same object. Shift D, I copied in edit mode. I just wanted to show you something interesting. Because you can still connect those two polygons if you work with the surfaces. You can loft between polygons. I will show you effective way. Add curve. Unfortunately, the surfaces only supports Bezier. You cannot use a different type of curve. Okay, what next? View, we need to use 3D cursor because this will allow you to focus on selected item. It's better to rotate your 3D viewport. The surfaces advanced loft, I call it my project. If you use textures and materials, go to File, External Data, and check this box. Very important. Okay, we have to adjust our curve. People, I use the orthographic viewport because I have to make curve straight. Also, we can turn our handles off because if you snap that point to polygon, it is easier. Also, check approximation. I need only 3. I don't need more than that. Also, when we turn on snapping, we go to vertex, move, rotate. We also select this box. Do not select this because otherwise you will not snap to invisible points if you select this box. Also, check if this is closest. Very important. I have to check what direction. I think it doesn't matter. I will check. Also, don't forget about something. Uh, uh, to select. We can select it so we can see our handles if they are straight or not. Not everything is okay at the moment now. Our curve seems to be okay. The thing what you should do, you should use Shift S, cursor to select it. If you don't know where this is located, you go to select, wait a minute, here curve snap cursor to selected, and also what I wanted to say, you have to choose 3D cursor, because in this mode you can quickly snap to object. Do not forget, sorry, I just wanted to say, if you select 3D cursor mode, your gizmo will match 3D cursor. Very important. And now I will use dot shortcut keyboard on my keyboard to select a whole object, because we have to copy curve in edit mode. Shift D. Wait a minute. Why this didn't snap? Because I did not turn snapping on. We have to copy clockwise curve. Please select snap when you copy. Shift D. Now, as you can see, we matched perfectly our box. Shift D and Shift D once again. You can still subdivide this object, because we can do further modifications. Subdivide. I think I will subdivide a couple of times, because I want to generate interesting shape. Okay. And Shift S cursor to selected. This is actually quite important, people. You also have profile shapes when you use proportional addition. This can be useful to generate interesting profile shapes. Shift S. Oh, I like what I achieved. What about this? I'm very happy how this tool works. Very, very beautiful stuff. And that last one, what we can use, maybe inverse square. Oh, definitely, I like this tool. I'm very happy that I decided to use proportional addition. Don't forget to use option connected only, because if you only select one point of one curve, this will not affect another curve. And if you use revert, you will delete previous operations. I think now we can do step by step. I have to check if my polygon will bridge properly. Hopefully it will bridge. Now we have to switch to mesh of the surfaces. You use, how do they call it in English? This tool. Picker, I think picker. You have to pick object. Then you have to select curve and pick curve object. And don't forget to select points of your polygon mesh. This is also important, because we copied the mesh clockwise. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I check. I think you have to also consider this option, cyclic cross, because this will close shape. Also cross Now we generated beautiful polygon mesh, but you can still do further modifications. Of course, it's up to you, because I just was considering maybe in part 2 to draw curve from here. I don't know if I should use, if I should use uh, curve like Bezier, because you can manually bend curve and achieve also another beautiful shape. I hope you like my video tutorial. If you want to bevel object, please don't forget to check your normals. This is very important. If they are not properly displayed, you can use mesh, normals, recalculate outside. Also, don't forget to apply scale. This is important as well. And you can also smooth object, shade smooth, normals, auto smooth. Now we have almost perfect polygon. Not perfect, but I will show you tips how to make it perfect. Mesh, clean up, fill holes. Oh, I don't have to fill holes on the bottom of the polygon. And now I will use bevel tool to check how my object will be beveled. Because in a real world, you're supposed to create objects with soft corners, because in real world they look like they don't have sharp edges in real world. Loop on slide. Okay people, this is what I achieved. I hope you like my updated video tutorial. You can do anything by using Bsurfaces, and this tool has very large possibilities. I still study this tool because you can do many things using this tool. I showed you one of the effective ways of lofting. See you guys, have a nice evening. Maybe I will show you another way how to bridge polygons, because I did in easy way. Okay, bye.